Hi, I'm Kane Mears. I'm applying for the Software Engineer 1 position at JB Hunt. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and why I feel that I'm the best suited for this position. So for one, I'm a really good team player. I'm really good at communicating. If there's a problem with anything, everyone that knows me would tell you that if there's a problem that comes up, I'm going to tell you right then and there what the problem is. Instead of wait maybe a few days down the line and more problems stems from that problem. I also have experience in an internship with FedEx Freight. So a good example of my team working skills is we had a daily stand-up at FedEx. And what that daily stand-up is either, depending on if your team's remote or if your team's there, you would have a video conference. You would say, this is what I worked on yesterday, this is what I completed, and if you completed maybe a certain portion of the project, you would demo that, show them what it does and what the code is doing. You would talk a little bit about that, and then you would tell them what you're going to do that current day. So you did that every day of the week that you worked, and that it's a really good helpful tool, because if you were stuck, say you were stuck on something, you could say, hey, I'm stuck on this part of the program, and they would instantly find some expert, because FedEx is a huge place. They'd find some expert that could come over and help you that day and help you finish that part of your user story. And why I think I'm good for this position is, you mentioned that Java, C#, and Python are some of the languages that you're looking for. I'm pretty well versed in Java, because all the classes, or a majority of the classes in the CS department at UAFS is mainly versed in Java. And another class I'm taking is called .NET, which is a C# class, and that's another language that you have on there. I also have experience with web development, so HTML, JavaScript. I know both of those. I also worked in Angular during my internship. And then you also mentioned the education. After next semester, I will graduate with a bachelor's in computer information and science at the University of Arkansas Fort Smith. I also have, you asked for experience in some of these systems and programming. With my internship, I have that experience. I feel like I'm a good team player, and I also have experience working at a Fortune 500 company, such as JB Hunt is.